Now, over 25 years, Native Instruments is on the forefront of sonic innovation. We develop integrated audio, hardware and software solutions to inspire and enable musicians, producers, engineers and DJs to express themselves.
We want to create this fantastic, rewarding experience when you buy the controller. You put it on the first time and the lights come on and the interface comes alive.
Rather than just creating boxes with buttons, we're manufacturing musical instruments, create something that helps people to become creative.
We come from a world where industrial design worked with their tools and mechanical engineering worked with a different tool. For us, the really next transformative step was to go to the same platform. Autodesk Fusion really helped us to come together.
The specifications and data sheets are made available over Fusion Manage.
We basically put in new CMF files and they'll be pushed to manufacturing partners.
Fusion Manage enables us to have easy access to specifications and data sheets.
It's an ecosystem which helps me to integrate the engineering databases with parameters which are crucial to me as a purchasing specialist. I can insert such parameters in the system and modify them, and then our engineers, they have immediately the access to such data. They can use it when selecting components for new developments.
We are starting testing early, even at raw component levels, as we start to either create our own specifications or if we're buying in parts, testing against specifications. So we will then be uploading to the PLM system. We're also uploading one thing called the factory test tool into PLM as well. So this is something that comes up in the development process when we're looking at more like pilot run and mass production. And this is an end-of-line test that is used 100% of all units, and this really determines what will go into the box. So this is something that we monitor closely and then put into PLM to make sure that the latest one is used in all of our factories and repair centres, regardless of location, time zone. This is something that really gives us peace of mind that the right version is being used in all places.
It was really cool to have this centralized hub. Managing such a complex system manually would have been a huge cause for error.
Usually customers ask us to ship a spare part. Fusion Manage enables me to just find it directly in the database, to detect it and to send it to the customer with all the specs that they need. It's an instrument that they use for years. And the instrument already is part of their life, and it tells little kind of stories that we don't know, but the customer know. And for that reason, they want to have a